11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
If you don't want to work, you will not make it in life. Some of you have kids and you don't want to work. Some of you understand work and a work ethic. Some of you, we have to push and encourage to work. But some of you will not make it because you don't enjoy work. Now, this is something that you chose to do. Think about that. This game, right? This is something that you chose to do. What happens when you into something that you really don't want to do? The only way we're going to get to where we want to go is work. And the only way you're going to be who you want to be is work. Do the only thing you want to do is work. Let's work today.